Welcome, today I'm with me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feed or Samsung Feed on this device. So now we can see that the Google Discover is activated successfully. If you wanna turn it off, we should hold for a while our device screen and then swipe to the right side. Now we can see here the Google Discover, or if you have the Samsung Free, you'll have this by this way. You should just click here on this switcher to turn off this option. And now when we'll swipe with our finger, we can see that the Google Feed is turned off. If you wanna just turn it on again, you just should hold for a while, once again your home screen, and tap on this switcher to activate it. Also, we can make it by the second way, just you should hold for a while your device screen, click here to the settings icon, and then just you should find here the add media page to home screen. Just click on the switcher to turn it off, and now we can see that it's successfully disabled. And just to activate it again, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.